How to buy Aptos in 2024. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can buy Aptos in 2024. So first of all, open any of your browser and search for MarchX and click on this one. After that, you'll be redirected to the interface. Here you have to log in. If you're not logged in, you have to register first. I have already got my account, so I'm just going to click on login and enter my account. After you log in, you'll be redirected here. Here your total amount of balance will be displayed here. Go up and search for buy crypto. You first have to buy crypto using a debit or credit card. You gotta buy that in USDT, and then after that you can convert that into Aptos. So you can either buy it directly through the MarchX account, or you can also buy that from another app known as Best Wallet. You can buy that over here and then convert that and transfer that to your MarchX account. Here you can also buy that directly by writing the amount that you want to pay. You can select the currency in which you want to pay, in euros, in dollars, whichever, and then convert that in USDT using any payment method and buy that. After that, at top next to buy crypto, you'll be able to see markets. So just click on that and wait for the page to be loaded. Here at the search bar of crypto and features, you could search for Aptos. So type APT over here, and after you type, you'll be able to see that the APT USDT Aptos is displayed over here. So just click on that. After you click on that, you'll be redirected to another interface of Aptos, and now here you can convert your USDT which you have into Aptos. After typing any suitable amount that you desire, you can just click on buy APT, and your Aptos will be bought by you. And then when you come to your wallets, you'll be able to see your Aptos balance over here displayed in front of you. It will be shown over here under estimated balance, and you can also convert this Aptos balance back to USDT using Best Wallet. So that was how you can buy Aptos in 2024.